Hello everyone, welcome back to Noun is an Update. As you all know that in this channel, we break down complex procedure to simpler ones so that you can be able to navigate your portal yourself. There are a lot of things that you need to know as a student on how to navigate your portal. So this Noun is an Update is here to make sure that I guide you and give you step-by-step guide on how to do those things on your portal. So today we have received a lot of requests to show them how to check their TMA grades. So we're going to show you how to check your TMA grade or scores today. One thing I would like you to also know is that to check your TMA grades or scores is very important, and also note that down because you might have TMA 1, 2, 3 and at the long run you might need it to prove. So it's very important to know your grades and your scores. Either you do it yourself or you seek an assistant. Please know how to check your grade. First thing you need to do is to go to NOUN website. You want to go to NOUN website and click on login. It's going to show you something like this. Then your username is your matric number, which is a small letter. Then you put your password there. So we're going to log in now and to the dashboard. So once again, if you are here to subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. It's going to encourage us to break down complex procedure for you and give it us for free so that you know how to do all these things yourself without paying anyone. So let's dive in. You put your username here and your password so that you can log into your dashboard like this. So after you put your magic number and password, you click on login. It's going to, if everything is correct, it's going to log you in like this. This is a smartphone. If you are using laptop, it's going to show you in another dimension. But we are using smartphone so that you know that 90% or 85% of people will use their smartphone to check their scores most time. And is a bit complex on smartphone to check the grades or scores. So that is why we are using smartphone to check it. Another thing I would like you to also note that is that you need to check your courses if this radar is 100%. So people, you have done your term 1 to 3 but you don't know how to make it 100%. It's very simple. Let's take for instance, this is the course that you want to check the radar. Is you just click on the courses. So you see that term 1 to 3 has been done. This term 1 to 3 has been done, but you still don't have 100% status. So see this feedback. You will see it as mark as done. Click on it to mark as done. Anything you see as mark as done on this portal, make sure that you've gone through the facilitator or other things assignment being given to you on your portal. Just click on mark as done to make sure that you have your status to become 100%. If you don't mark those things as mark as done, your status will never be 100%, even though you've submitted your TM 1, 2, 3, and even though you get 10, 10, 10, this is 30 in all, you will not still get the status to 100%. But make sure that anywhere you see like this, anywhere you see mark as done, because we've marked it, that's why it's showing you done here. You see mark as done. Once you click on it, it show you done and it will tick it. So let's go back to the course and see this. That's why you are seeing, can you see, that's why you are seeing 100% here. Then what you need to do, now you've checked that one, you want to now check how to check your grades or score. Just click on desktop, you see it here. Just click on the grade and the courses you want to check. But on smartphone, you have to click on the course like this. Same thing. Once you click on the course, you will see here. You see courses. You see more. Just click on the more like this and click on grades. So once you click on grades, this is the course now. You will see your grades and your scores. Let's say for instance, this is it. I want to click on the grades now. Yeah, I've clicked on the grades now, so it take me to the grade. Can you see it's GST? It says computer GST fundamentals. It's computer fundamental and GST 103. We're talking about, can you see TM 1, 2, 3. Can you see? And the total score in TMA1 we have the grades here. Can you 33%? That means you've done it. It's called 9 in TMA1, 9 over 10 TMA1, 10 over 10 TMA2, then 10 over 10 TMA3. You see, this is 90%, this is 100%, this is 100%. The total score that you're going to see afterward is, you see this, can you see 29 all over 30, which is 96.67%. This is how to check your TMA scores or grade. It's pretty very simple. Same thing that you're going to do through all the courses, one after the other. You can either write it down or you screenshot it and keep it somewhere for future references. So it's better for you to do that. Just click on the courses, click on more, click on grades, and it's going to show you your courses and the grades of those courses. This is actually how to do it. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Once again, kindly give us a like, share the video, and subscribe to Now News and Update channel. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.